So week 9 is pretty easy since most of your work is going to be working on your final projects. In academic content, week 9, you will see this Word document. So you have to read chapters 19 on fastening devices and methods, chapter 20 on working drawings. Especially familiarize yourself with the following: thread representation and notes, how to basically show a thread and note it. There are appendices in the back of your textbook that show how to describe a thread and how to describe a bolt by its head. Familiarize yourself with fits between mating parts and bill of materials. A bill of materials will be required in your final project report. So bill of materials basically lists everything, every part in your project, quantity of the parts, name of the part, any information about the part a manufacturer would need to collect or to in order to create the part. This includes both off-the-shelf parts and unique parts. Your hand sketches, number 2 here, should have all the included information in the hand sketch. Name and project title, all dimensions. Make sure you use correct dimensioning techniques. Your dimensions should have arrowheads into the dimension lines, should have extension lines. Line types and line weights should be correct. They don't have to be exactly pretty, but they have to be legible and following the rules of dimensioning. Remember, you'll have CAD dimension drawings of the unique parts. Make sure you identify the material of the part and any physical characteristics that it requires. If you wanted to change up a type of part, material, plastic for aluminum, aluminum for plastic or something, in order to improve on the part, you have to know what type of physical characteristics that part needs to withstand or have. Okay, you can't say, I want to make the part weigh less by changing the springs from steel to plastic, because plastic won't have the same physical characteristics as steel. Make sure you name all the views. They should be projected from one another correctly. Add a tolerance note to your parts and any general or local notes that the pictures and the dimensions don't explain. That's your week 9. So mostly it's a little bit of reading and following up with your final project.